ever look up at the sky and think, wow, that is an aggressively confident shade of blue? Like seriously, every day it's just up there like, behold, I am blue. No hesitation, no doubt, no experimenting with colors like a teenager discovering hair dye. Just blue, forever. And the weirdest part, the sky has zero reason to be blue. It doesn't have paint, it doesn't have pigments, it doesn't even have the dignity of being solid. It's literally made of gas, transparent gas. So why does something that's clear end up looking like the world's biggest mood ring stuck on slightly optimistic? Well, today we're exposing the truth. Something wild is happening above your head every second. Something involving sunlight, molecules, physics, and just a little bit of chaos sprinkled in for flavor. I'm Professor Everything, and today we'll be answering the question, why the sky is blue, right here on Explaining Everything. To understand why the sky is blue, we need to start with a shocking revelation. The sun is a liar. It looks yellow. It acts yellow. It practically markets itself as yellow. But scientifically, the sun is actually white. Bright white. Blinding white. Don't stare at me, or you'll regret it instantly. White. But that white light is secretly made of every color you've ever seen in a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. A whole cosmic Skittles pack. Each color travels in waves, but not the surfing kind. Red waves are long, relaxed, and moving at a vibe level where they definitely meditate. Blue and violet waves, on the other hand, are short, tiny, and chaotic. The kind of wavelengths that would definitely text you at 3 a.m. with, "Are you awake?" Now picture this. Sunlight blasts toward Earth like it's late for work. But as soon as it hits our atmosphere, it instantly slams into trillions of molecules. Oxygen, nitrogen, all the air ingredients we happily breathe. The light doesn't pass gently through them. No, it crashes, it bounces, it ricochets. It's basically photons entering a trampoline park. This whole process is called Rayleigh scattering, named after Lord Rayleigh, who probably did not expect that his contribution to science would explain why kids draw the sky blue with crayons. Here's what happens. Long wavelengths, red, orange, barely notice the molecules. They pass straight through like they're VIP guests. Short wavelengths, blue, violet, get smacked around like they owe the atmosphere rent. Because blue and violet waves scatter everywhere, they flood the entire sky. So no matter where you look, your eyes catch a face full of scattered blue light. That's why the sky looks blue all day long. Blue light gets absolutely yeeted around the atmosphere. Now here's the plot twist that makes science teachers giggle. Violet light scatters even more than blue. So technically, logically, mathematically, the sky should be purple. But it's not. Why? Two reasons that make humans look a little silly. Reason number one, our eyes are biased. Our eyes love red, green, and blue. They adore them. They're built for them. But violet? Nah. Our cones barely detect violet at all. So even though there's a ton of violet light bouncing around up there, our eyes treat it like it's invisible. Violet light could be screaming, "Notice me!" And your eyes would still say, "No." Reason number two. The sun emits less violet than blue. Still some, but not enough for us to notice it on top of our eyes, ignoring it. So blue wins by default. Not because it's the strongest, but because our eyes basically went, "Let's not complicate things. Blue, it is. The universe tried to give us a purple sky. Human eyeballs said, "No thanks." Let's talk about clouds, because sometimes the sky gives up on blue and switches to depressing refrigerator gray. Clouds aren't blue because they work differently. Clouds are made of big droplets of water, way bigger than gas molecules. When sunlight hits them, they don't separate the colors. They scatter all of them equally. That equal scattering makes clouds look white or gray or, oh great, it's going to rain on my plans. Now, what about space? Why is space black? Simple. No atmosphere equals no molecules equals no scattering. With nothing to bounce the sunlight around, the sky turns into pure darkness. That's why astronauts don't see blue skies once they get high enough. Even if they're just outside the atmosphere, the blue is gone. Earth keeps the blue for itself. And this also explains why, when you go up a mountain or take a plane, the sky looks darker. There's less air up there, so the blue scatterfest starts to fade. Basically, the universe without Earth's atmosphere is just a giant void with excellent acoustics and terrible lighting. So after all that, the sky is blue because sunlight's short blue wavelengths get scattered in every direction by nitrogen and oxygen in the atmosphere, and our eyes are best at seeing blue. That's it, not magic, not the ocean reflecting upward, not a cosmic paint job, just physics throwing blue light around the sky like nature's favorite confetti. So next time someone asks, "Why is the sky blue?" you can answer with confidence and maybe a little mischief. It's blue because Violet couldn't commit, and physics said, "Fine, we'll use blue then." If you enjoyed this deep dive into the sky's mysterious blueness, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing science explanations of our everyday world. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.